G'day, here's a few pieces of Boulder Opal I've put together. They're not high grade pieces, but some of them should give you some stones. I'll zoom in so you can have a better look, I think. Okay, I've zoomed in. The rule was in millimetres. The material's been wetted a bit. A piece like this, you can just cut straight into a pendant, or you could chase the veins and cut a stone that way. These other pieces need to be flattened off. They're really introduction pieces, I think, would be the right way of looking at this. You can cut a slice off that, off there. Get another slice through there for a couple of pendants or stones. It's up to you. Bit bluey purple piece. These vary in quality, of course, as you can see. Pieces like this, that's the seams that you're looking at trying to get a stone out of. This last piece, not a lot of colour in that. Anyway, I basically put them together so they're under or around 400 grams, so they get the cheapest postage rate. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.